lucky pair. Oh, beautiful. This Tom here and this hen, who I bet money they're brother and sister from the brood from last year. They have paired up. I have not seen the two hens with the young ones in 3 or 4 days now. A little concerned. Hopefully they're okay. These two were here earlier, but I scared them away trying to give them some food. They're fine with me sitting here. They do not like when I get up and walk around. The hens with the chicks, on the other hand, they tolerate it pretty well.